Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.